Guys, we were out in Tullahoma, Tennessee, so I wanted to swing by the Ovoca project that we showed you guys a few weeks ago. As you can see behind me, we've got a full bricked house now. They are currently working on the board and batten siding that's going to be going up around the front door. But just want to give you guys a quick sneak peek of all of the updates that have happened. So stay tuned. I'm going to turn the camera and give you guys a quick tour. All right. This again is the Ovoca house in Tullahoma, Tennessee, brand new construction. It's going to be 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I think I'll double check that whenever I get inside, but they are working currently. So you're going to see that we're going to have board and batten siding going in here, and immediately coming in the front door, guys, check out the vaulted ceilings. If you recall, a few weeks ago, whenever we came in, it was all just studs. So it's come a good ways. So we're looking at what's going to be the kitchen right now. So you can see the sink's going to be here. So countertops will run along this wall here. It's going to be more of an eat-in kitchen style. So it does have plenty of room for a dining room table on this side as well. On the left-hand side of the home, we've got a bedroom in the back. They are working back there, so I'm not going to go to the window. With a bathroom here in the center. With a tub shower combo, we've got a linen closet with bedroom 2 being at the front of the home. And on the right side of the home, you will see the laundry room area, which is quite large, going into the garage. And then we have the master suite with tray ceilings over here, leading into the bathroom. So we're going to have a toilet area here. We'll have dual vanities over here. Looks like the shower will be installed here. And then I know you can't see too well, but this is an extremely large closet in the primary as well. Recessed lighting throughout. I'm assuming it's going to be the LED light. So guys, stay tuned and we will keep you guys up to date on the progress.